Today's topic is Mauryan art. The Mauryan period was an age of cultural brilliance. So the Mauryan period is considered as an age which influenced the Mauryan culture in our India. The artistic achievement of this period can be seen in the numerous stupas, monolithic pillars, caves, and sculpted figures of the Ashokan period. So the artistic, that means whatever the artists used to design in the Mauryan period, they were drawn in numerous stupas, monolithic pillars, in different caves, and even different types of sculpted figures were made during the Ashokan period. So with the help of these things, we come to know that what are the different you can say art which was followed in the Mauryan period. Mauryan art was greatly influenced by Buddhism. So Mauryan art was greatly influenced by the religion known as Buddhism, which was founded by Gautama Buddha. Ashoka is supposed to have built 84,000 stupas throughout the kingdom. So it is believed that Ashoka the emperor, he had built about 84,000 stupas throughout his entire kingdom. Stupas are solid, semicircular, dome-like structures made of stones and bricks. So what are stupas? Stupas are a solid, semicircular, dome-like structure which are made up of stones and bricks. Relics of Buddha such as his hair, tooth, etc. were kept at the base of these stupas. So the hair of the Buddha, the tooth of the Buddha were kept at the base, that means in the foundation of the stupas. The Great Stupa at Sanchi is an outstanding specimen of Mauryan architecture. So which stupa is the great or outstanding specimen of Mauryan architecture? It was the Great Stupa at Sanchi. Please remember the name. The Mauryans also built many prayer halls and viharas, that is monasteries. So the Mauryan also made different types of prayer hall where they used to pray, and different types of viharas, that is monasteries, where the monk or the Buddhist people live. So here is a great stupa at Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh, built during the Ashoka's reign, is one of the finest example of Mauryan architecture. So this is the one of the finest example of Mauryan architecture, and it is the Great Stupa at Sanchi, and it is present in Madhya Pradesh.